How to make an outdoor wooden swing. An outdoor wooden swing keeps children busy for hours. Nothing captivates a small child more than swinging on a swing on a sunny afternoon. Swings do not need to be elaborate to engage the creative imagination of children. A single wood swing is a safe and attractive option for homeowners with small children, limited space and funds. Construct this swing in an afternoon and your children will be soaring high in no time. Things you'll need: saw, 2 2-inch by 9-inch boards, 9 feet long, 2x4, drill, wood glue, wood screws, screwdriver, measuring tape, auger or post hole digger, gravel, quick drying concrete, level, 1 2-foot long, 2-inch by 6-inch board, sandpaper, 4 galvanized screw and shackles, 2 5-foot long chains, 4 S-hooks. Outdoor paint or stain and paintbrush optional. Assembling the frame. Cut a notch in the top of the 2 tall boards large enough to hold the smaller board snugly. The small board is the crossbeam and the 2 longer boards are the side posts. Place the crossbeam in the notches, in the side posts, and lay the formation flat. Line everything up so that the side posts are parallel to each other, and 22 inches apart. Drill 2 holes through one of the side posts and the crossbeam. Repeat this process for the other side. Position the crossbeam inside the 2 notches and secure it with glue. Thread wood screws into the drilled holes. The crossbeam should now be securely attached to the side posts. This completes the frame for the wooden swing. Pick a level area to build the swing. Dig 2 holes 3.5 feet apart and 2 feet deep. Place a thin layer of gravel at the bottom of the hole for drainage. Have an assistant help you lift the 2 side posts of the frame and slip them into the holes. Make sure the crossbeam is level, then pour quick drying concrete around the posts. Add water per manufacturer's instructions to the concrete. Allow the concrete to dry before installing the swing. Installing the swing. Sand all of the rough edges of the 2-foot-long board. Pay particular attention to the corners, as this will be the swing. Thread a screw and shackle onto each end of the swing board. Screw the remaining 2 shackles into the crossbeam of the frame, 2 feet apart from each other. Place an S-hook through each of the shackles in the crossbeam. Hook a length of chain on each S-hook.